I'm on my way to a fire I just heard about from a friend at the Williams Central gas compressor station on Turnpike Road in Kingsley or Brooklyn, and I'm on my way now, so we'll see what kind of damage. This time they already had a fire about 3 years ago, and we'll see how today goes. Now I'm in Montrose, our county seat, and we have our nice little trucks here, the water trucks, the GDS company and other companies bringing water and residual waste or waste products, liquid waste from all the gas pads and gas wells. I'm on the Compressor Turnpike Road, on the Compressor Station Road. All the guys. How are we supposed to get through this? Stations here. Montrose, Harford, Clifford. Oh, there's Williams. Williams' truck right here. Let's see what he has to say. Next. Oh, it's super windy out here too. I don't see any flames. So we got all these. Williams car moving along here. See if anybody will talk. Nobody wants to talk. All right, guys. See what the police have to say. It was an active fire. You heard at 10:30. They're telling me.
I was listening to the scanner. You know,
You listened to the scanner, and it said active fire.
Active fire.
So the police are here trying to find out what's going on.
You see, they started the Constitution pipeline. They started the beginning entrances and stuff down there, huh?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, they've all rocked in, all the road all in.
But they didn't put pipe in yet, did they? No, there's no pipe there.
Roadways in, though.
The roadway?
Access.
Well, they still haven't been given permission as far as I know.
You take a picture of the bus.
Yeah.
They are?
Mike.
Mike, hi Mike.
Pleasure. We just had a small electrical fire inside of one of the compressor stations.
Is it okay if I tape you?
Yeah, you can take a picture of me. It's perfect.
And tape. And also
yeah,
tape. Okay. So it was electrical fire?
Just a small electrical fire. The fireman came in, put it out, and now we're just assessing the situation.
Okay, so now it's over?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of damage was done?
Just a small damage to one of the, it's like a box, electrical box.
Okay.
I mean, it's a good sized box. It's bigger than me, essentially.
Right.
That's all that happened.
Okay. And you're with Williams?
That's correct. I work on the Transco section. So I work from the Gulf of Mexico to New York City area. So not on the midstream side.
Okay, so
but
you came
I just happened to be in the Tunkhannock office this afternoon because I was working at Williamsport,
Okay.
one of our adopter schools. I was out there visiting one of our adopter schools. And so I just happened to be in the area. So I drove on it.
Okay, cool. All right, well, thanks for letting me know, because I live here,
Yes,
you know,
ma'am.
so we're concerned about it.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I remember the big fire we had here 3 years ago. We had a big fire, and the front of that building melted and burned, and there was a big boom, and so, you know, it's nerve-wracking.
Why don't we slide over here to the fire?
Okay, on the way.
Thank you, thanks for that. And then, yeah, because we got 48 compressor stations here. They said it was an electrical fire. These people live here, too.
Yes.
Electrical
Sorry,
fire.
wind, guys.
Yeah, horrible wind.
Oh, we can't control that.
All right, we're all set.
Yeah, so-
Then you're going to talk
to him and...
Yeah.
Okay.
So everything's okay from
Yep.
what you guys can see?
Yeah, everybody's leaving, everything's fine, everything's wrapped up, and
Okay.
life is good.
Okay, thanks so much.
All
I
right.
appreciate it.
No problem.
Could be the Clifford is that way.
Okay.
I've been documenting since they started about 8-9 years ago.
This is my second time ever. It's like electrical box. It's near the road. It's near inside the rest of it. It's electrical box. It's just about the same. Let's say if I was standing up, this is part of my side. Electrical box. Because it's an electric station. That part of the motor is. So it's electric that goes into there.
Electrical power. So it's separate than what happened previously.
Well, I'm not actually privy to that because I don't need to get
No, the other one was, I don't know what it was. They had an explosion first. And then the front of that building just melted. They had to replace the front of the building and then the compressor, from what I remember. So it was major.
Yeah, I'm more or less a pipeline person. So all the pipes that run up from Texas to New York City and then out here in the PA.
So
That's
do you
all
have
my
anything to do with the Constitution pipeline that comes out of this?
No, I mean, it's going to be part of the transco line when it's done, but not yet. That's actually catchment. So you might catch it. We're doing most of that, if you don't mind.
Yeah, I do. I know.
You know, Mike's my manager, actually.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. I saw Mike's. They made me think of
We
it.
both wear the same jackets, yeah.
Really intense.
The
What if that blows? You know.
hope not.
But you know how many pipelines have ruptured at some point? Every week we hear about a rupture,
You do hear about some, yeah.
right? And then the spills. And so what about if these should rupture and spill? And
Who's
then what about your new pipelines? If they spill or rupture, what are we going to do then?
Well, we hope that doesn't happen, that's for sure.
I know you hope you don't, but you know how things are. Some So they're making the entrance here, some kind of an entrance for the Constitution pipeline, looks like. This is where it's supposed to start. So we got the driveway entrance. This is on Turnpike Road, Brooklyn. All this plastic and berms. It's supposed to be for some kind of erosion control. Or probably fill control, which they don't say. everybody's basically gone. It's 12:59, almost 1. I'm going back to Montrose.